Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3, Quarter 2, Week 8, Day 4. Our topic for today is drawing conclusions from an informational text.
Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Activating prior knowledge. Good day, everyone. I hope you are all doing great. Before we begin our lesson, we will review the previous lesson to make sure that you have understood everything properly. The teacher will ask the learners to write on the board some basic science words they learned yesterday. Let them use those words in sentences correctly and provide relevant feedback. Lesson Purpose Intention. In today's lesson, you will identify grade-appropriate sight words, draw conclusion from the informational text, read and use words or phrases that link sentences and help clearly organize ideas about a given topic. Lesson Language Practice. Here are the words or phrases that link sentences and help clearly organize ideas found in the text. They are so, because of this, since, if, and this means that. Reading the key idea stem. For the first reader, have you ever seen a giant fish in the ocean? That fish is called the butanding or whale shark. It is the biggest fish in the world, but even though it is big, it is very gentle and does not hurt people. Second reader, if we look at how it eats, we can learn something important. The butanding has a wide mouth to catch tiny food called plankton. It swims near the water's surface to eat. Because of this, it helps keep the ocean healthy. For the third reader, now let's think about where we can see butanding. In the Philippines, they are found in places like Donsol and Oslob. Many people visit these places to watch them. Since people enjoy seeing butanding, it helps them learn how to take care of the ocean and its animals. Fourth reader, so what can we learn from this? The butanding is special and it is part of nature's balance. If we want to keep seeing these gentle giants, we must keep the ocean clean and safe. This means that protecting nature helps both animals and people. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Class, below is a closed activity. You need to fill in the blanks with the correct words from the word bank. They are biggest, places, visit, clean, protect. Here are the correct answers. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Read each question carefully. Choose the best conclusion based on the text. Write the letter in the space provided. Here are the correct answers. Making generalization and abstraction. Complete the details by filling in the correct words in the space provided. Evaluating learning. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. Here are the correct answers. For remediation, draw your favorite pet. Explain why you like it very much. Give some reason why you should take care of it.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, and have fun. See you next time!